In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to your Google Calendar. This simple integration can save you a lot of time and make scheduling meetings more efficient. So let's walk through this process step by step together. First, you'll want to open your Google Calendar. Once you're in, direct your attention to the right sidebar where you'll see a small plus sign. This plus sign is your gateway to adding various add-ons, and it's the beginning of linking Zoom with your calendar. So go ahead and click on that plus sign to start the integration process. Once you've clicked the plus sign, a search bar will appear. This is where you'll type in Zoom. Typing in Zoom will direct Google Calendar to find the correct add-on for you. As you begin typing, it should intuitively suggest the Zoom add-on even before you've finished typing the full word. This predictive feature makes it even easier and faster to find what you're looking for. After you've typed in Zoom, the icon for Zoom will appear in the search results. Now, it's important to make sure it's the official Zoom for Google Calendar add-on you are selecting. Clicking on the right option is crucial for a seamless integration experience. So, once you spot the Zoom icon in the search results, click on it to proceed to the next step. With the Zoom add-on selected, you will now see an option to install it. Click on Install, and you'll be guided through a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts are there to ensure that everything is set up correctly and that you're aware of what permissions the add-on requires. It's pretty straightforward, but if you're new to this, take a moment to read each prompt carefully so you understand what access the add-on needs. During the installation process, you may be asked to log into your Zoom account if you're not already signed in. This step is crucial as it connects your Zoom account with Google Calendar, allowing you to schedule and manage your Zoom meetings directly from your calendar. Just follow the prompts to sign in and continue following the installation instructions. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully connected Zoom to your Google Calendar. Now, every time you schedule a meeting, you can easily generate a Zoom meeting link directly from your calendar interface. This makes setting up virtual meetings as easy as pie and significantly streamlines your workflow. Thanks for joining me today as we went through how to integrate Zoom with Google Calendar. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Have a great day and happy scheduling.